Hi there. I'm excited to show you three powerful features in the MustWants app that will help you personalize your home search and stay organized. Let's dive right in. First up is the nickname feature. Ever looked at a listing and thought, I need to call this something memorable? Well, with MustWants you can. Simply tap on the property and scroll past the property listing information, and right there you can give it a custom name like dream backyard, or brick home. This way, when you're scrolling through your favorites later, each home has its own personal tag to help you remember why you love it or why you don't. Next, let's talk about notes. As you visit homes or browse listings, you can easily jot down thoughts or reminders. See something that stood out? Maybe it's the perfect kitchen layout or a bathroom that needs updating. Just add a note directly in the app. No more scrambling for sticky notes or trying to remember details after your tour. Finally, the areas to work on. Feature is a game changer for making informed decisions. You can create a list of things you'd want to improve or fix in each home. Whether it's updating the flooring or adding new lighting, this tool keeps track of your potential projects. It's perfect for organizing your must-do improvements and considering your overall investment. As an example, I can nickname pink bathroom and then add notes and indicate needs landscaping, paint outside, while my partner indicates it needs a kitchen renovation. That information is then shared with our chosen real estate agent, making the home search process more organized and empowering a more informed and organized search and discovery of our next home. And that's it. With MustWants personalizing your search and staying organized, it's easy and fun. Try out the nickname, notes, and areas to work on features today to take control of your home search. Thanks for watching and happy house hunting.